Greetings and welcome again to Simple Cooking Made Simple with the Carolina Chef. Today we are going to make one of my favorites, desserts. It's light, airy, fluffy, has just a little bit of calories. It's chocolate cream cheese mousse. It's so yummy, so yummy. Your kids will love you. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. So let's get started. We're going to start with a full 8-ounce package of cream cheese. We'll put this in our mixer, and I've let that set out just a little bit just so it gets kind of almost room temp. And then we're going to add this is a cup, but it's full, so it's a little over a cup. So it's right at a cup and a quarter of powdered sugar. So we'll get this started and get it to whipping. And you want to get this to where it's mixed very well and kind of fluffy looking. So our cream cheese is nice and fluffy. It's good. It's mixed really good with the powdered sugar. We took 20 milk chocolate Lindor truffle balls and melted them down just on very low heat. Put the lid on top and it melted down, so it's a nice milk chocolate. So we're going to add this to our cream cheese, and we're going to mix this for probably about a minute. And then once this is mixed, then we'll start adding our heavy cream. So like I said, that was 20 Lindor milk chocolate balls or truffles. So we're going to start the mixer. Get this mixed well. So now, since we've mixed this a little bit, we want to get everything from the sides and just mash those down in the middle here. Just get all your cream cheese and chocolate and bring it to the middle. And then you want to mix it probably for another 30 seconds or so, just so it's well blended. So now we're going to add 2 cups of heavy cream. You can't use milk or half and half. It has to be heavy cream, and you want it really cold. You don't want it lukewarm. So I actually took and put this in the freezer for about 15 minutes so it's extra cold. So we're going to add this in and let this fluff up. But for one, just so you know, you don't want to over beat this, because then it'll get lumpy and kind of fall, and it won't be as good. So I'm gonna pour this in and go ahead and turn it up. And you're gonna wanna let it mix a little bit on low, and it'll start getting thicker as we go, and then we can turn it up just a little bit. And when it's extra cold like this, it won't take it long to get to the thickness that you want. So now our mousse is ready. It's real nice and fluffy. And you can put this in a pie shell. You can put this in, just eat it plain, eat it with berries. But you can see that it's got a nice rise to it. It's nice, fluffy, and airy. And then you can make some homemade whipped cream if you want to put on top of it. But this is going to have a great flavor from the cream cheese, the Lindor chocolate truffles. It's a great dessert, and maybe takes you 10 minutes, if that. Just very good, it's a great dessert. Your kids will love it. You can't never go wrong with chocolate mousse. So like I said, the chocolate mousse is ready to go. We put some in a wine glass. You can serve it like that. Put it on a plate with some strawberries, take some chocolate, you can use Hershey, just whatever you want, and just take a regular shaver, or if you have a smaller one, you can use it and just go across. And if you want small, where it's kind of like peppery, or if you want to go with a bigger, but it just adds to the decoration, makes it look a little bit better. I want to thank you guys for joining us today, and hopefully this will be a simple recipe you'll want to do in your kitchen. You know, get your kids involved when you're cooking. You know, make it fun, where you know they're having fun with it as much as you are. Again, thanks for joining us today, and if you will, do the 3 S's: smash that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. God bless and have a good day.